Hi, how you doing? So today I'm going to go for a bike ride. Got my bike here. I'm going to go grab my drone in a minute and I'm going to see how well I can use the drone's follow me mode in the forest. Will it follow me through the woods? Will it crash into branches? Will it go mental? Anyway, let's see what happens. There are two distinct modes under the follow me option on the DJI Mini 3 Pro. The first of these is trace, and you also have parallel. This is an example of parallel, where the drone obviously moves parallel to the target. You have to be pretty careful in this mode though, because the sensors don't work whilst flying sideways and you may smash into something. The trace mode just follows you from behind. So you set up the target and then the drone will follow the target wherever it goes. In this direction, the sensors work so it can avoid things like these branches, which is pretty cool. One major downside to trying to ride your bike whilst having the drone follow you is you need to have the controller in your hand or leave the controller somewhere. Neither is ideal. It's quite difficult to ride the bike with the controller in your hand. It's okay uphill, it's okay on the flat, but as soon as you start going downhill off-road and the bike's bouncing around everywhere, you really can't go very fast, which is a problem and isn't ideal. I would like to be able to lock the controller so none of the functions work until I want them to. Maybe there is an option for this. I haven't been able to find it yet, so if you know about it, let me know. But that would be a fantastic option, because otherwise this is a bit of a pain. Out in the open where you haven't got trees to worry about, it is a lot easier to just get on with it. Just set it up and let it follow you. As you can see here, there's no trees in the way and I can just ride along and I don't have to worry about the drone. Another cool element of the trace feature is the ability for it to go in front of you and to look back at you as you ride along. I've dropped the controller here just for ease and I'm just trying out things, but I really like this fact that I can get a front-on view and the drone will still avoid obstacles because it has rear-facing sensors. Okay, so in this clip I got a little brave and decided to try and fly backwards through the woods, and the drone went a bit mental, and as you can see here I got very lucky not to dump it into a tree. It just stopped before it hit the tree. Whether that was the sensors or just blind luck, I don't know, but I quickly had to walk back to where I had left the controller and turn off the follow mode before anything bad happened. There's definitely an element of risk to doing this in the forest, but I do think some of the shots that have come out of it are pretty cool. So all in all, I think this was a successful little experiment. It's not perfect, and I really need to find out a way to hold the controller whilst riding, and then I could let the drone follow me for ages. It seems to have pretty good collision avoidance going forwards, and I'm beginning to trust it a little bit going through the trees, and I think all in all it's an amazing feature that I will definitely be using more. I just need to work out what to do with the controller. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you later.